Hi, I'm Glenn from Googie Modern, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to assemble your Googie Modern table base. In this situation we happen to be using a Babinka plate for a 24-inch glass table, and we have 3 walnut legs. Now you'll note that the legs have tape on the inside of them, and in this case they say B1, B2, and B3, B for Babinka. And the plate also has little pieces of tape, B1, B2, and B3, that correspond to the legs. So what you're going to do is in your Googie Modern packet, there's a couple things we're going to take out. We're going to take out the screws. We're going to take out this little packet called bumpers, and we'll tell you about that in a minute. So the first thing you want to do is I'm going to take slot B1, take leg B1, and slide it into the slot. And that one's pretty easy. Some of them are a little tighter than others. We have B2, B2, slide that in as far as it'll go, and then B3. This one's a little bit tighter, B3, okay? Then you're gonna turn it upside down. Take your screws, and be patient with these. Now your screws may have white wax tips on them. We put that wax on to make it easier to put them in. And so pretty self-explanatory at this point. You're just going to run the screw down in here and screw each one down. I highly suggest you keep the blue tape on the parts in case you have any problems and need to send the table back, or in case you ever want to disassemble the table. You'll have to reassemble it in exactly the same order. So just keep the blue tape on there. I also suggest that you keep the original packaging for both the glass and the table base until you get it all set up and know that you're totally satisfied with it, in case you ever have to send it back or have a problem. And that's pretty much it for the table base. It's really just that easy. The only other thing I wanted to point out is these little clear polyurethane bumpers. I don't ever use them, but I highly suggest using them if you're worried about the glass slipping around on the table. I'm going to put the glass on it right now and show you what that looks like. But the bumpers will prevent the glass from sliding around. Also, if there's any unevenness whatsoever in the glass sitting on the table, these bumpers will help even that out. So let's take a look at the table with the glass on it. We'll put it right down here. And I'll go and get the glass for it right now. And here we are with very heavy 1/2 inch, 24-inch piece of glass with 1-inch bevel, and it just sits on there just like that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. As I said, if you want to use the bumpers, it will make it a little bit more stable. And thank you for purchasing a Googie Modern table. Enjoy it.